Hi guys, if you're having problems that the Roblox FPS Unlocker is not working for you, I'm going to show you a couple of tips and things that you can do to solve that problem. For the first step, you always want to have the software updated to the latest version. For that, go into the description down below and you're going to find the link to the Roblox FPS Unlocker. At the moment of recording this video is the version 5.0, but don't forget guys, always update it and check this out. And in here you're going to have the download. Another option that you can do is when you have the software already in your desktop is right click into it and you want to select to run it as administrator. Once you have done that, and if you are still having problems using Roblox and the FPS Unlocker, what you guys want to do is simply close Roblox and open it once more. Sometimes this is going to help with that problem. And the last option that I can tell you guys is to check if your antivirus or firewall is blocking the software. Now, if you have to deactivate your antivirus or the firewall, try to do it only for this software, or if you cannot do it and you have to deactivate it completely, don't forget guys to activate it once more once you finish playing with Roblox. I hope these tips have helped you guys, and now the Roblox FPS Unlocker is working once more for you. And that is it guys, it's a short tutorial, I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and to subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. See you guys on the next time, bye bye!